In this video, I will tell you about the criteria to be a good solvent in UV spectroscopy. The first criteria is the sample should not form product with the solvent. For example, we can use water as a solvent to determine the UV absorption for potassium permanganate, but we cannot use water as a solvent for determination of UV absorption of potassium dichromate. This is because potassium dichromate reacts with water to form other products which absorbs light at another wavelength. But on adding excess acid, the hydrolysis can be prevented and we can determine the absorption of potassium dichromate using acid. The other criteria is the solvent should not absorb UV radiation in the same region as the substrate absorb. We can understand this by using an example. So, protein and peptides which contain tyrosine or tryptophan absorb UV radiation at a wavelength 280 nanometer. So in this case, we cannot use toluene as a solvent because it also absorbs at approximately 280 nanometer. So we cannot use toluene as a solvent in this case. That is, the solvent should not absorb UV radiation in the same region as the substrate whose spectrum is to be determined. The third criteria is the solvent should be less polar so that it has minimum interaction with the solute molecules. If the solvent is a non-polar solvent, then it will not form hydrogen bonding with the solutes. Therefore, we will get a fine spectrum. But if the solvent is a polar and can form hydrogen bond with the solutes, then we will not get a fine spectrum. The spectrum will be broadened. So these are the criteria based on which a solvent is selected for UV spectroscopy. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thank you.